Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. We have another really awesome knife for the upcoming subscriber giveaway. This one was actually donated to the channel by a viewer. Thank you so much, Jake. I really appreciate all the support and everything. I really appreciate this. There's a really cool backstory of CJRB. Didn't realize that. Anyway, back to the knife. This is the CJRB Frack. It is an all-steel knife, so it has a little titanium look to it. However, it is a steel handle, AR RPM 9 blade material. If you know about that one, awesome. If not, definitely look it up, research. There's a lot of interesting content and info about that specific blade type, blade steel, I should say, and why it's called that and how it's being called that. So definitely do your research. However, this is a really cool one. Really fun button lock for the size. It's very quick to deploy, very ergonomic, and it only comes in around 100 grams. There we go. Let's see. It's coming from the 3-inch mark to the just about 12. So looking at about 8.9 inches in overall length. Yeah. Ceramic ball bearings. Fantastic. I say fantastic. I haven't used it. This is new edge and everything. However, just holding it, the ergonomics, it's quite light. And like I said, for the size, it's quite nimble too. So I'm very impressed. Oh, that's a really cool little dip there. That's really cool. The more I stare at this, the more I'm starting to like all the little features on it. Reversible pocket clip. That's really cool. Anyway, yeah. So thank you so much to all the subscribers and everyone and all the support for the channel. I'm excited to have this upcoming giveaway opportunity for everyone. And thank you again to Jake for sending this knife in. I really appreciate it. So please subscribe and make sure you keep an eye out for the entry video that will be dropping soon. Carrier personality, thank you for watching.